Good morning! So we are going to the old city of Shanghai. Nice decors.
So fun to experience Chinese New Year in Shanghai.
So we are going to the old town.
Boodle is real.
Good morning! Hello! Happy New Year! Yes! So this is Baoyang in Shanghai. So cold, it's 3 degrees now. Why you want? Oh my God. Siguro ang ganda nito during spring and autumn. This one, oh ganda the road. We are now going to the old town. Old town of Shanghai. So we are going to the old city of Shanghai, and there are a lot of bamboos. Look at the bamboo trees. The old city, or the here at the Yu Garden. They are celebrating the Chinese New Year here in Shanghai. Lumpien, Shanghai. A lot of decors. Nice decors.
It's so fun to experience Chinese New Year in Shanghai.
So beautiful here in Shanghai, the old town of Shanghai.
We will try the street
Buy some pasalubongs.
这是老上海点心的新版甜宠小吃，欢迎大家前来品尝。老上海风味小吃，上海甜小吃，这里有蓝翔小笼、细糖灌汤包、上海生煎、锅贴、手工鸭面、刀削面、老色粉丝汤，更是老上海点心的新版甜宠小吃，欢迎大家前来品尝。
Look at the strawberries. Look at that.
前来品尝。 We have refreshing just the lemon tea, lychee smoothie and special bubble milk tea. 上海本土奶茶店含春。
Ang daming nag-smoke here. Sobrang amoy sigarilyo. This is Alang Center. Alang Center here in Shanghai. Amoy sigarilyo. Nice. So there's McDo here in Shanghai. We are going inside.
Dapat pala bumili ako ng maraming notes kasi pag sa CJJ kami, di ba? Oops. Magamit ko.
Look, oh, it's so clean here in Shanghai. Ang linis ang streets.
Dito na lang. Dito ko lalagay. So we're going lunch. Okay. After lunch, go to the airport na?
No, ma. May tour pa tayo.
May tour pa tayo.
Tempo.
Okay. Bumaba. Sandali. Ito dito for tempo.
So, most of these residential buildings, they were finished in the 1980s and the 1990s this year. You can recognize them through the air conditioning standing outside.
So we are going to the old town, the old houses of Chinese people.
Enjoy yourself. Have a good
Facing sa kabila. Background.
This building is actually old. More than 100 years.
Lego pala to. Really? Lego. How many years? Lego pala.
Almost 100
Yan,
years.
oh.
120.
120 years old daw, Ma'am Linda.
Ang alin?
Tungtong lugar na to.
So the old town is now commercialized. A lot of stores. Ma'am Linda.
Hi! We're at Old Town, Shanghai.
So we're going home tonight.
Yay! We're so happy. Boodle is real.
We are going inside a coffee shop here at the old town. We'll taste the coffee. So we will taste the coffee here at the old town.
Tess, sabi ko, Tess.
Yeah,
Here at Shanghai.
Yay!
So
Coffee
yummy.
time! Coffee time and dessert, something sweet.
Yes.
请系好安全带，请系好安全带，请系好。
This is the skyscrapers. How tall it is.
Escalator.
Nice.
We'll meet here at 6:50. Dito po sa park nito. 6:50. 30 minutes po, so 6:50 nandito na po tayo. So by 7,
Skyscrapers.
we're going to be there.
The second tallest building in the world, next to Burj Khalifa in Dubai.
Daw ang photo ko.
Pero talaga malaki to. Hindi katulad ng mga ano natin, parang ang sabi, oh, liliit na mga building. Ito, ang bongga to.
And this is the skyscrapers.
Pero maganda siya Ayan, ito lang pala.
Lumapit na.